Vlogmas day 7. We're out for a walk and it's pretty darn cold, which is why I've got the hood up and a hat on and some gloves. And it's very windy again. This is like day 3 of the wind. So of course the wind chill makes it feel even colder. We've had an errand day so far. Went out for a cup of tea, filled the car with gas, so I've got a full tank for our trip tomorrow. And then had to pick up my holds at the library. And also got a few extra things, which I've got a little film of, which I've probably already put in. And then the health food store, where we splurged on a bunch of nice food for our few nights away. Because we want to have quick, simple meals, we usually buy a few extra items that we wouldn't normally get when we are out of town. Don't have a microphone on, hope you can hear me okay. Yes, all rosy cheeked from the wind. This is what 4 o'clock in the afternoon looks like at the moment. Still quite a lot of light in the sky because the sky is quite clear. Absolutely lovely. Well, it's been a very enjoyable Saturday. We did all our errands and we got a walk in before it got dark, and then I made dinner. Dinner was pretty late because we didn't go out walking till almost 4 o'clock. And the seitan meatloaf took an hour and a half to bake, so it was a late dinner. But we did enjoy a movie tonight on Netflix. I had seen on one of my socials that there was a new movie out called That Christmas, and it's written by Richard Curtis, who wrote Love Actually. And I thought, wonderful, I'll have to watch that sometime. So after I had made dinner, I had the idea to look it up on Netflix. Turns out it's an animated movie and it's a lot of fun. So if you want a fresh Christmas movie to watch this month, then I do recommend it. So I did manage a little bit of crafting today in the end. I got some crochet done on my hood in a Snood. I've almost finished the second section of the short rows. So this part is looking very skinny and this part is looking very wide, which is what it's supposed to look like. And I've just got one more short row to work back along to here and add 2 more stitches to that row there. And then I'll start going all the way around again. And then I think it might just be working straight after that. I'm pretty sure there's only 2 sections of short rows on here. And at the moment, I have a big tangle with my glasses on the couch here and my yarn, apparently. I have a very diminished cake of yarn here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get this cowl out of one cake, but I am pretty confident that I'll have enough to make a pair of fingerless mitts afterwards. I do have my own pattern that I published on my Nicolaknits blog years and years ago for beginners. It's a very, very basic pair of fingerless mitts, written for bulky yarn, and I think it'd be perfect for this. This is a bulky yarn. It's called King Cole Cottagespun, and I think some fingerless mitts to match this cowl would be absolutely ideal. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a short video today. Tomorrow, there'll be a little bit of travelling. We are going to our Airbnb for our anniversary retreat, and on the way there, we are dropping in to see some friends and have a cup of tea at their house. So I'm really looking forward to that. So change of scene, change of pace tomorrow. I'll see you then.